Ensure all doors are closed and the vehicle is off. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle to run position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 4 times in quick succession. On the 5th cycle, leave the key in the run position. This activates the programming mode, allowing you to pair the key fob. Once the ignition is in the run position after the 5th cycle, you have approximately 10 seconds to initiate pairing. Press the lock button on the key fob you want to program. The vehicle should recognize the fob. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat the button press sequence for each within the same programming session. A 2014 Ram 1500 supports up to 4 key fobs. If programming is successful, the doors will likely lock or unlock, confirming the pairing. If it fails after 3 attempts, consider consulting a professional. Remember, newer aftermarket options exist like apps or OBD2 scanners that might simplify the process.